My name is Dr. Neha. I'm CEO and founder of IIDFA. I have trained more than 200 plus students. In our institute, we are teaching about cosmetology and aesthetics. We have 7 different kinds of courses in which the foremost course or the complete hands-on training program is Fellowship in Aesthetic Medicine, in which my students are learning about chemical peels, PRP, advanced PRP, GFC. Then we are teaching Botox, fillers, thread lift, all the injectable parts we are covering, like lipolytic injections we are covering for treating patients concerned about cosmetology. We are giving hands-on training. It's a complete hands-on comprehensive training program in which our students are getting patients for each and every procedure so that they are becoming more confident when they are doing their practice individually. So about the hands-on part, we are training our students in 3 different categories. Number 1 is the facial aesthetic course, in which certain programs are there like non-invasive cosmetology, and one is injectable parts. In non-invasive cosmetology, we are teaching the non-invasive part of cosmetology like lasers, all kind of laser, including tattoo hair removal, diode, we have hair removal, how to treat acne, how to treat scars, pigmentation. So we are teaching our student about everything about lasers. Another thing is that we are teaching the basic skin anatomy, skin physiology, how to treat, where to go, what depth we have to go in injectable parts. If say for example, if we are teaching chemical peels is a basic thing. So in chemical peel we are teaching the basic peels like glycolic, salicylic for treating acne, for treating melasma, and the advanced peel also. How to neutralize them, post of care, everything from basic to advanced. We are teaching everything in chemical peels. Like for PRP, apart from the facial aesthetic and cosmetology, we are teaching 2 more courses. PMU, that's a permanent makeup course, in which we are teaching about the permanent brows as well as the lip. So for brows, if somebody came to your clinic with alopecia or scar, so we are teaching techniques by which we can fill those brows, or we can make brows manually as well as with machines. And if somebody has lips, dark colored lips, so we can convert those lips into the normal one also. And another is the last course is hair transplant. Hair transplant course is a 2 days program in which we are teaching everything about trichology, about the scalp, the layers, the techniques, newer techniques like follicular unit extraction. So we are giving demonstration as well as practical part also. We are giving the patient for each and everything. And about the pricing part, so if somebody wants to join our 5 days program of facial aesthetic, that will cost you around, if you are MBBS doctor or an MD, BDS, MDS, physiotherapist, BHMS or DUMS, and you are planning to widen the horizon of your skills in aesthetics, we have a course, Fellowship in Aesthetic Medicine, by the name FAM, in which we are teaching you different topics starting from the basic to advanced. So we'll be teaching you about skin anatomy and physiology, chemical peels, mesotherapies, medifacials, PRP and GFCs are there, mole skin tag wart removal, all kinds of injectables, Botox, fillers, thread lift, then we have lasers, and total price for all these are 1,25,000. But today we are giving you an offer price of 75,000 only. So click the link below and join the course.